Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest and the most exciting gadgets on the market. Today I've got an unboxing of the brand new and the latest from Sony. Yes, their flagship phone for 2024, the Sony One Mark 6. Along with that, if you pre-order the Sony phone, you also get a free gift, their latest noise cancelling headphones. But before I jump into details, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and let's unwrap these new babies. Now that the unwrapping is done, let's talk about the phone. The first thing that catches the eye is a seamless integration of the premium materials in the Sony One Mark 6. The device boasts a sleek aluminum frame that wraps around the body of the phone, the boxy design, the flat 6.5 inches of OLED display, and a carefully crafted contours make it comfortably to hold. This is purely due to the lightweight of 192 grams. Yes, this phone weighs only 192 grams, which is a welcome addition because these days the phones are behemoth in the sizes ranging anywhere from 230 to 250 grams, but this 192 grams is a breath of fresh air. And it also has got a slim side bezels. However, it's got an extended bezels on the top and at the bottom where it houses the sensor, and in the front it has got a 12 megapixel of a selfie camera. It is covered by the latest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the front, and the back it's covered by the Gorilla Glass Victus. However, it has got a unique finish of a textured frosted glass which feels different to the touch. I mean, in a good way though. However, it's not different at all from its previous iteration of the Sony One Mark 5. The side aluminum frame has got a textured finish which helps you in better grip, and just like the last time, this helps in a better grip, which is nice as well. Now the main thing which I'm really looking forward is the camera. The back it houses a 3 camera setup which with a 48 megapixel of wide with an optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixel of telephoto camera, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with a 3.5 to 7.1x of continuous optical zoom. This has gone up from 3.5 to 5.2 from last year. If I'm not wrong, this is the only phone in the market to have a continuous zoom, and also has got a 12 megapixel of ultra wide. It also features the trademark Zeiss optical lens coating, and as far as the video is concerned, it can record 4K up to 120 FPS. Yes, 120 FPS. Well, that'll be interesting. And the front selfie camera is no slouch either. It can capture 4K at 30 FPS. Unlike or rare in most phones these days, they have still kept the 3.5mm of headphone jack. It also has got a stereo speaker situated at the top, and at the bottom it's got a USB Type-C for charging along with the 30 watts of wired charging, and it also has got a wireless and a reverse charging as well. It also has got a unique SIM tray which you don't require a SIM pin to open, as you can just pop it out the fingernails to pop it open and insert a micro SD card. So yes, it's got an expandable memory which is not present in modern phones these days. In spite of the SIM tray and the expandable memory, it still has got an IPX68 water and rust resistant which can go all the way up to 1.5 meters, 30 minutes submerged in water, which is absolutely brilliant. Wish other manufacturers could do the same as well. And as far as the unlocking is concerned, it's got a side mounted fingerprint sensor until you actually find where they are, as it is absolutely flush to the body. It sometimes makes it quite difficult to to actually find where they are, which I have encountered the same issue in the previous iteration. I'm pretty sure I would have the same in this one as well, just like the previous one. But obviously, after some time using it, your muscle memory kicks in. Sometimes you need to tilt the phone to find where they are, which is sometimes is absolutely annoying. Now, talking about the display, it has got a 6.5 inches of display. However, I'm kind of disappointed as till last year, one of the standout features in the Sony phones were to have a 4K display. This one does not have a 4K display, which is a bummer. However, I need to use it to see if it makes any kind of difference. But obviously, one thing is Sony normally produces amazing quality, and with punchy contrast and deep blacks, that is something which I really want to look forward for. And as far as the processor is concerned, it is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with a 12 gigs of RAM, and it's got 120 Hz of refresh rate. And also it comes with two storage options, 256 GB and a 512 GB. However, in UK, we only get a 256 GB. But hey, as you obviously have a micro SD card expansion, so you can slot in a 256, 512, 1 terabyte of extra storage. So I'm absolutely fine with that. And also got two stereo speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom. That's my unboxing for the phone and the headphones. So stay tuned as I will be testing this phone through its paces and of course testing the cameras, because that is something which I'm really looking forward for. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe as it helps this channel immensely. Thank you for watching and you have a lovely day.